Welcome to Happy Learning. In intelligence theory, we will see the group factor theory of Thurstone. It's also known as primary mental ability theory. Louis Thurstone came out with the group factor theory in the year 1937, saying that intelligence is a cluster of ability. These mental operations then constitute a group. A second group of mental operation has its own unifying primary factor. A third group has a third primary factor, and so on. He pointed out that there were 7 primary mental abilities and later on added 2 more. 7 primary mental abilities are verbal comprehension factor, verbal fluency factor, numerical factor, perceptual speed factor, inductive reasoning factor, spatial visualization factor, memory factor, deductive reasoning, problem-solving ability factor. The 7 primary mental abilities are verbal comprehension factor. In that, the person's ability is measured through vocabulary and reading comprehension. Verbal fluency factor. This ability involves through word, sentence and other verbal materials. It is measured by tests such as one that requires the examinee to produce as many words as possible beginning with a particular letter in a short amount of time. Numerical factor. Here it involves the rapid arithmetic computation and in solving simple arithmetic word problems. Perceptual speed factor. It is the ability involving in proofreading and in rapid recognition of letters and numbers. Inductive reasoning factor is the ability of generalization reasoning. In spatial visualization factor, the ability is involved with visualizing shapes, rotations of objects, puzzle fits to each other, and it is being made over through geometric forms. Memory factor. It means the ability to recall and associate previously learnt items effectively. The next factor is deductive reasoning. Here, the ability to use the generalized results correctly. And lastly, problem-solving ability factor. That is through the ability of solving the problem independently. So coming to the point of educational significance and its implications. Contributed greatly to the measure of attitude. Thurstone scales developed in 1928 and was first formal technique for measuring of attitudes. Thurstone's theory of intelligence was a major influence on later theories of multiple intelligence such as those of Guilford, Gardner and Sternberg. Developed by a comprehensive judgment scaling, technique rank scale can be used to rank all possible feelings related to an issue and to categorize people expressing an opinion based on the rank of that opinion. If the individual wants to perform any particular activity, one or more of these factors or abilities are involved. Some of them are more important than others. So by using this theory, easily we can understand the child's capacity. Thank you.